We're gonna get 4 of this guy, okay? And we're also gonna get 4 of this guys. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today video we are going to the market and we are going to get 4 little birds. Depending on the price, we may be getting, I don't know, 8. So we are heading that way now. Ooh, Kilama, I see some beautiful ones. Look at those. You guys are mean. Here's Grandpa. I think this is Grandpa. Suelto. Hello, buddy. I thought it was gonna bite me. So we're gonna get 4 of this guy, okay? And we're also gonna get 4 of this guys. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Sounds good. Which one do you want? That's okay. So which one do you want? Okay. We're gonna pick 4 different color, okay? Kita Kyungso. What is that bird? Yo. Ay, amul tanso ko. Oh wow. $80. They are expensive. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We will be letting them go in a couple hours. Here's a bunch of chickens. What is this thing? Here are also some chicken. Mango. Alright guys, I had to stop recording because I needed to grab some drink. I got a coconut water, so I will be drinking this. It's pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't fit in my cup holder in the vehicle, but I will be enjoying this. My wife and little ones are looking for something else. Once they find whatever they're looking for, they'll be here. And we will be heading home and you will see us releasing them into the cage. Alright, see ya later. Bye. Alright guys, we are home and here's all the little bird. Birdie, we are going to let you go home. Alright. Go inside from the front and go put your iPad. Close the door. My God, all this rock, we will be fixing our fish pond. So 면으로 해. 말라미나라. 또 전속 되게 뭐 돼야 되는 거야. Ready more. No, ready more.
Release the baby.
Release the bird.
Come on, guys, get out. Come on. It's all right. Swak out there. Let's go. They won't get out. Okay, here we go. Relax, you guys. This one is big.
Where's the bunny car?
Come on, buddy. You gotta go. I know. Come on. Alright guys, so this is what I had to do. I had to grab a 4x2 and cut the edge, and I went ahead and screw this in with the bar on the top, so when we close there won't be quite a chunk of gap where the bird won't be able to come out or no other bird will be able to go in. So the goal is that we want to make sure they're not being attacked. So far, things that we notice is the smaller birds are actually quite comfortable. As you can see, they're just chilling even while we're here. They're eating around this little cute bird here, along with this other bird here as well. But the bigger bird, like the parakeet, are quite scared. Let me see if I can rotate the camera. And it will take us a few hours, a few days, few months for them to really get used to us. But you can see this little smaller bird, they're quite comfortable. I can even approach kind of closer and we can see them just chilling right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll have more video coming in regarding this little guys. Alright, bye.